Morning crew. On the Mornin Tailboard, we're going to be going over a tool that apparently the nickname for it gets misinterpreted quite easily. For me, my family is from the South, so we use different names for things, and some of it's used out here as well. But I'm curious, if one of your crew members goes and asks you to go get them a foxtail, what are you going to go grab them? Quite curious. Foxtail is this nice big floofy brush. It's floofy like a foxtail. You want it nice and fluffy because it gets all that weld and spatter. Once it's all cooled down, dust swept up, you sweep it right away. Now, reason I'm going over this, because it's very interesting when you're working on a site and you ask your punk for a foxtail and you see him go wander off. Okay, he's gonna go get it, that's fine. And then kaboom! And whew, some popped off a shot somewhere. Not me this time. And then here he comes prancing back with a foxtail. Not saying I didn't take it, but if I'm asking for a foxtail on a job site and I get this, I'm gonna be laughing at you. Again, I like my foxtail. Just saying, make sure you bring a brush. But if you bring me this, I'll take it too. So that's this Mornin's Tailboard of what a foxtail is.